Meron pong 13 trips ang Vice President overseas, no? Germany, Japan, Hong Kong, Netherlands, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Australia, South Korea, Kuwait, Paris, at several Netherlands. Umaabot at least 60 days on leave ang presidente at marami po pero hindi lahat sinasabing personal leave, no? Sa mga trips na ito, ilan po ang naging personal leave at ilan on official duty at magkano po ginastos Office of the Vice President, official leave at personal leave nangyari.
This will
Madam
be the
Chair, yes.
last question, Madam
Yes,
President.
yes. Madam Chair, may I ask what date do you want me to start with the destinations? July 2024.
No pizza daw yun?
Mr. Chair, from July 2024, a personal trip to Germany.
Okay.
Then January 2025,
July 24. We'll
personal trip to Japan, and so on.
We'll start with July 2024. So, number one, under the Civil Service Commission rules, there is no allotted leave for the President and Vice President. We cannot both file a leave. So the only thing that I need when I travel overseas is a travel authority from the Office of the President. All my travels were issued travel authority by the Office of the Vice President. This implies that all these trips were approved by the Office of the Vice President. So, from July 2024, I went to Germany. In December 2024, I went to Denmark. In January 2025, I went to Japan. In the 3rd and 4th week of January, I went back to Japan. In February, last 3rd week and last week of February, I went back to Japan. On March, I went to Hong Kong. On March, I went to the Netherlands. On May, I went to Qatar and the Netherlands. On June, I went to Vietnam, Cambodia, and Malaysia. On June, I went to Australia. On July, I went to the Netherlands and the Republic of Korea. And very recently, from August to September, I went to Kuwait, the Netherlands, France, and Belgium. And number 3, no public funds were used for all my travels. I did not charge representation. I did not charge tickets. I did not charge per dime for all my travels in the Office of the Vice President. If you can see in the breakdown of the budget of travel for Office of the Vice President, you can see that there was a 0 amount for the Vice President.
Thank you, ma'am.
Madam Chair,
Parliamentary inquiry.
Next
Chair,
on,
just to follow up on the question, salamat Vice
I'm
President
sorry,
for
Congressman
detailing.
Tenyo, that was your last question. I'm sorry.
Follow up na lang po yung
I'm
personal
sorry. I'm
ang lahat
sorry. In the
at
interest of time, we have to proceed.
magkano ang ginastos ng opisina at staff? Kasi totoo, wala ginastos ang
sorry,
Vice
I'm
Presidente.
Parliamentary
Magkano ang ginastos
inquiry?
I'm
ng
sorry.
staff?
I'm sorry.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Parliamentary
Yes.
inquiry. Madam Chair, I thought we're going to accord institutional courtesy to the Office of the Vice President. Binabanatan. Bakit natin tatanungin?
It's already settled that we're just giving
Mr. Chair,
2 questions from the minority. Okay?
Mr. Chair, hindi po, wala
5 minutes
pong,
each.
wala pong
Opo.
binabanatan
But
dito.
does
I
not
take
preclude
exception
the other
to
members
the-
from making a manifestation.
Congressman Tenyo, sandali
I
lang.
take exception to the use of the term binabanatan. Nagtatanong lang po tayo rito at lihitimo naman po ang mga tanong.
Madam Chair.
So I ask the congressman
Mr. Chair, may we
to withdraw
request for
the
a
comment.
suspension of
Session
the...
suspended.
I
Hearing
second
suspended.
motion.